to Australia and our expedition trip for adventure. And as usual, we'll be going to the lounge to wait for the flight. Traveling to Australia this round for 1 month, and we'll be on a campervan too. So from Perth, and we will go to Sydney too. Cheers. Today we're at my friend's house in Australia, South Australia, in Perth. It's Stella. Sean. Okay, that's the starting of our first 30 days in Australia.